kahit saan ka tumingin, ang daming sale. Samahan niyo ako mga ka-treasure. Tingnan natin kung worth it ba tong Toys R Us sale event. Let's go! At ayun na nga, nasa Festival Mall tayo for the Toys R Us sale event na meron sila. Madaming tao, expected nyo na yan. Mga namimili ng pang-regalo. Mostly pang-regalo. So simulan na natin ang walkthrough ng event nila. So pag pasok nyo pa lang, sa labas pa nga lang, makikita nyo na agad yung big sales na meron sila sa mga toys na pang bata, pang babae, and also pang babies. Then yung sale nila, it's not just small discounts eh. It can range to 10% up to, well, totoo yung endorse nila, 70%. So ganun kalaki yung discounts na pwede nyong makuha when you attend their sale event. So kung kayo nag-iisip ng pangregalo sa Pasko and medyo gusto nyong hindi ma-stress sa pagpila, pagpunta sa mall during the, well, Christmas rush season, so this is a very perfect event and time para mamili. So hindi lang sa convenience, pati sa syempre being financially wise. Kasi kita nyo naman, even the biggest brands, Hot Wheels, diba, Blockies, yung mga yan, they have sales right now. So hindi lang pucho yung sale event ng Toys R Us ngayon, but it is a really good and big for me. So syempre madami kayong kaagaw kasi syempre bibili rin yung ibang tao, diba? Even I myself want to buy something. So ang dami dyan sa event nila. Sa Festival Mall akong branch pumunta, but I think may other branch din na naka-sale. So you can visit their page to check their schedule and yung places na may big sales para syempre sulit yung punta ninyo. Pero again, ang daming variety of toys available for boys, for girls, in any ages. And at the same time, small brand, big brand, known brands have their big and good discounts. So, ayun lang mga ka-treasure, na-share ko lang yung sale event. And it's up to you to check them out personally para makapamili kung gusto ninyo. So, na-share ko lang. Peace.